G'day, I'm Tom from Purpose Built Moto. The TS185 is a popular vintage farm bike, but with a few mods that I'm about to show you, you'll see that they can be made into an epic street-ready runabout. Wah! Getting this TS185 in a few boxes, we started with shortening the frame. The super thin and light frame was finished to a sharp point to shorten up the overall silhouette of the vintage two-stroke. After fabrication, the suspension was lowered drastically to sit the TS really low to the ground and accentuate the proportions of the large wheels set on a small frame. Removing the standard oil tank and airbox meant a custom tank was needed. A few bits of stainless I had in the shop were built into a tidy two-stroke tank and mounted neatly on the frame. Up front, the forks were re-chromed and rebuilt with heavier springs to allow them to be lowered 70mm without bottoming out under load. With the front guard removed, the bike's steering action had a ton of slack. It's like trying to steer with an overcooked spaghetti noodle. I fabricated a solid round bar fork brace which keeps the front end nice and rigid when steering and eliminates any wobble. Lighting up the front is a purpose-built Moto 4.5-inch LED headlight with blinkers. To make it all flash and beep are a set of push buttons mounted on the handlebars running through a black box control module. The little Suzuki received a carb and intake upgrade, new top end and a heavy-duty clutch. Making sure the little smoker was as gnarly as possible, we fitted up a custom expansion chamber, underslung flat track style. Then, we modified an FMF shorty muffler to suit the steep angled design. The seat section was finished minimally, with some small LED turn signals and an integrated brake light, housed within the seat. The license plate was mounted off the swing arm so as to not impede the naked rear wheel. The TS185 colour scheme started with the seat hide. I had a really nice reddish brown that we used, so the tank was given a dark metallic grey with the Suzuki logo shadowed into the paint. This TS185 is as fun to ride as it is to look at. One of our lowest budget projects, I think the bike shows just how much bang you can get for your buck if you really put your mind to it.